Welcome back to 909 Adventures, everybody. As of October 2022, this is the former site of the infamous Apple Valley Hilltop House. So a little bit of history on this place. The house was built in 1957, and just a short 10 years later, it suffered a fire in 1967. It was then rebuilt and mainly used as office space thereafter. The house belonged to Newton T. Bass, who was the founder of Apple Valley. During the time that the house was occupied, the house was loaned out to Richard Nixon, where he spent some time there and wrote part of his memoir. After the house had fallen into disrepair, the town of Apple Valley purchased the house in 2016, and on March 22, 2022, the town voted unanimously to demolish the structure. And now here we are in October of 2022, and this is what the site currently looks like. Now what you're going to see in the following footage is going to be myself, 909 Adventures, and Scott on tape doing the final explore just days before the demolition of this house. Guys, we're checking out the Apple Valley Hilltop House once again before they knock it down. Let's just get started. Careful. By the way, did I mention I was out with my buddy Scott on tape?
What's up, everybody? I'm about to die.
Yeah, we're all pretty much out of breath. What's that? You know, we came down that way last time, right?
Yeah.
Nah. Just stay the course, kid.
Yeah, I think we should stress that. This is quite
Yeah, it is very steep.
very steep. But we set the small one ahead of us in case of space.
Exactly.
Perfect.
Gotta send out a scout.
Yeah.
There's that iconic pool, and this is I don't remember this being burnt like it is. Yeah. No, somebody was sleeping here. I hope not. Just be careful, there is holes in the floor here. Fireplace.
All this graffiti. Nothing goes untagged.
Yeah, no, not ever. Well, honestly, you know what? I've been to places that have not been tagged, and it's really boring.
Yeah,
it's like nothing to look at.
I'm always been a fan of graffiti if it's done
if
well.
it's done right.
Yeah. And if there's, like we did another music video, you and I, that I never put up because of the wind, but when there's dirty words that are used cleverly, I'm all for it.
Yeah, same here. I'm good with dirty humor.
Yeah. You know, and like, you know, this is now gone into, I'm showing stuff, but like, you know, boobies and peepees, wieners, they're always funny. That's classy.
Yeah.
Right? There's holes all over the floor.
Yeah, just be careful.
Who owned this house? Craig T. Nelson?
This was no, this belonged to Newton T. Bass, the founder of Apple Valley.
Oh, wow. So Craig T. Nelson from Coach had nothing to do with this house. Yeah.
See, lots of holes in this floor, guys.
This is why now the sound's gonna be really good in here.
Yeah, because there's no wind.
Yeah.
These old light fixtures.
Some gang tagging too.
Yep, it's everywhere.
And how long ago was this house condemned?
Shoot, this was I think the last time it was lived in was the early 70s. I want to say like 72. And there was a fire. It was rebuilt. And another fire. Yeah, lots of holes.
Now it's just gonna stay here forever.
Yeah, well, the city of Apple Valley had already approved plans to knock this place down, so it could be demoed tomorrow.
Right.
Unfortunately, but they are going to do something cool. This is going to be a lookout point.
Right, which is
So it's going to be a hiking trail, and you're going to get to come and see
one of the
this
best views ever.
beautiful view. Yeah, probably one of the best views in the desert, I would have to say. All right, so this is where the only spot we were able to get into, and doesn't look like we're getting in. Wow.
Oh, who got scared now?
Cover your husband.
I guess we can get in if we go that way. So this was somebody had left on my comments on the last video that right where Britt is coming in was an elevator.
Is it an elevator?
It's not here now, but somebody
So there was an elevator?
it was that was an elevator, that door right there.
Whoa.
Yeah. How did she get over there? Oh, I guess through the door.
Look at that.
This door is weird. Maybe it's a basement.
Yeah, it's probably it's like a vault door. Look at that door. See that door, Scott?
I see the door. Take a look inside.
Okay.
Let's see what's in here, but you go first.
It looks like it was just really nothing.
See, I don't think it was an elevator. Where's the elevator?
I don't know. That's just what somebody said. I haven't seen any proof with my own eyes or anything.
I don't see that. Payphones.
What could have it been, though?
This?
This looks like obviously where the power grid was for the whole house.
Yeah, that's maybe like what a basement would be.
That's what I
This is
just
some
said.
boss shit.
Yeah, it is. And of course, it's been rated for its copper.
Oh yeah, it's all on, right?
Yeah. That's pretty much what everybody does out here in California. If there's any copper to be had, it's taken.
Who goes there?
Whoever put that as a real dick.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, sure, Baba Booey.
Yeah, nothing.
Well, the rest of that.
I know, right?
Or whatever the hell it is.
Yeah. Part of the ducting.
Yeah.
It's crazy, huh? I'm glad I was able to get into this. I wasn't able to last time. I wasn't about to climb through that. What happened? This pretty much sealed shut.
There's somebody that's been in this room that's been working out their anger because it's the same handwriting. Bitch ass.
Yeah.
Corpse of a whore. Dog. Same handwriting. J-E.
He's probably mad because he couldn't do good graffiti.
Yeah. Bitch ass.
Yeah.
Too bad. Too bad. And this is the room of bitch ass.
Alright guys, that's going to just about do it for this episode. Go check out Scott's channel, Scott on Tape. Let him know I sent you guys. Also, YouTube is going to suggest that you guys check out one of these videos here on the screen next.